Hi, this is Sotally Tober. Welcome. I'm Dak. Today, we're going to be doing science experiments, some chemistry, some bubbles, and you know, good old-fashioned exploding fun. So wear your safety goggles at all times, and always have gloves handy for this experiment. Let's dive right into it. In school. This is my favorite subject in school. I was terrible at it. I legitimately don't know anything about science. You can call me, Scientist Dak today. PhD, is that what it is? All right. For our first experiment we're going to be doing today, this one's called Foam It Up. For starters, obviously, science, experiments, clean stuff. You want everything to be clean, so sanitize everything. Just go ahead and soak your whole body in sanitizer before you start anything because you don't want any of those nasty bacteria getting in this and blowing your shit up. So the supplies that we're gonna be needing for this: baking soda, tartaric acid, one of these bad boys, and water. Instruction number 1. In a clean, dry test tube, mix 1 spoonful of baking soda and 1 spoonful of tartaric acid. Make sure when you're doing this, don't just rip that open like a ketchup packet. Go ahead and use these bad boys right here. Spoon. Do you think that's a spoonful? I'm gonna get a little more. So somehow, be very careful. You're gonna get this in there somehow, really carefully. Oh yeah. So over the paper, you're gonna wanna just like pour this in there. Okay. I just feel like this looks like drugs. This is a nightmare. How do I know if I got the whole teaspoon in there? And then tartaric acid. And I'm just gonna pour it into this. Fuck the spoon. Like if that's a spoonful, just double what you have right here. Science. I'm afraid to have my mouth open around this. Oh shit, they're both white. I can barely tell the difference. Now we are going to add 2 milliliters of water to the test tube and watch. Woo! That's about 2 milliliters right here. This is, I think, gonna be the fun part, guys. Make sure you're wearing eye protection and you don't have any animals around, and you yell at everyone to let them know that there might be an explosion. So, fire in the hole. Hit me, baby. Come on. Come on. Should I mix it around? Should I have mixed it around? What if I did? Oh, God! I'm gonna do it again. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at that! Just foamed everywhere. First time I said that. Bada bing, bada boom! Foam, amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. This one is called the disappearing flame. You're gonna need baking soda, tartaric acid, paper, a test tube, a pen, water, matches, pipette. We have all those things. Instruction number 1. Before you do this at home, just make sure you ask an adult to help you with this experiment first. So I'm an adult, so I'm gonna be watching myself do this. So step number 2, in a clean, dry test tube, mix 1 spoonful of baking soda with 1 spoonful of tartaric acid. Now, we've done this before. How much is a spoonful? There's milliliters on here. Does anyone know how much a spoonful is? Just gonna eyeball this motherfucker. Oh God. So last time didn't explode, so I'm just gonna give it a good mixing. See if this helps. I don't know. I'm a scientist, so I like experimenting. Just give it a good. The next step. Okay. Cut a 2-inch, 14.9 centimeter paper circle and punch a hole. Oh my God. Oh, oh, these are sweaty. Oh my God. Yeah. Some people ask me if I'm an artist. I sometimes don't know how to answer that question. Paper, circle, and punch a hole into the center with a pen. I lucked out with this. There's a tiny hole on my workbench here. Put it over the opening. Fold the edges of the paper down and hold tight so little air can escape. Fill a pipette with water. Place a tip on the center of the paper, slowly dripping the water into the test tube. Wait a few seconds for the foam to subside. Then, remove the pipette. Make sure these edges of the paper are like super tight. Super tight. We're just gonna slowly dip some water in here. Oh God! I just fucking plunged a hole deep into this thing right here. Okay, here we go. Science. If your mom asks you, what are you doing in the kitchen with my baking soda? You're like, I'm doing science! The next step is ask a parent or guardian to light a match. Quickly remove the paper and insert the burning match into the test tube. Okay, so since we just yelled at mom about doing this by ourselves, we're probably not gonna like ask her. Put it in there, I don't know. Is it supposed to touch water? When you do this at home, you don't put a gallon of water in a tiny little test tube before you try to throw a match into it, because Lord knows that water puts out fire. Science! There we go. For the next experiment, we're going to make our own, drum roll please, worms! We're making worms. Okay, for your supplies, you need sodium alginate. You need water, calcium chloride, like little pop rocks. Don't eat them. Number one rule with science. Don't eat your experiments. Unless it's food and you're a chef experimenting. Pipette, a beaker, cup, and a spoon. Perfect, these are all the supplies that you're gonna need for this experiment. And know that you don't wanna mistake anything for anything else. So don't lose anything and make sure you keep track of it all. Cool. Shit, what was I using? Step number one, mix 1 bag of sodium alginate with 1 cup of water. Here's a cup, check it out. Ba-boom, it's an experiment. Water. That looks disgusting. How long am I supposed to mix this for? Can you see this? Can the viewers at home see what this is looking like? It looks like you puked into a cup. What did you eat last night? Fish food? Did you eat only dried shrimp last night? What is this? Here we go. Done and done. Next cup. In your beaker, add half a pack of calcium chloride to 1 cup of water and stir. I'm probably gonna mix that shit around too. Look at that. Take this little pipette. We're gonna take this weird, disgusting oatmeal banana shit and we're just gonna suck this. Oh my God. It's so thick. Use the pipette to drop the calcium alginate mixture, then slowly and steadily drop a stream of the sodium alginate into the calcium chloride mixture. All right, cool. So we have like a, oh, that's so disgusting. Oh! All right, here we go. Whew. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Am I gonna die? How do I hit my face? Okay. We don't have time for that. We have worms on the way. Oh God. Put away your goggles. My nose is burning right now. My face! Ah! I don't think I've done enough. Fuck the beaker. I'm probably gonna get something out of this. This is the Godzilla worm of our generation. I'm really sorry. You know, if you look at it through the light, it kind of looks like a weird alien sack. I think I'm killing the worm right now if I mix it up too much. Slowly pull it out. And look at this disgusting. This looks like a jellyfish. What did I make? This is not a worm. Science! Oh yeah. Man, doing science projects by yourself sounds like a fantastic idea. You know, if you're bored, you're doing nothing, just lock yourself in your room, get a big old set of chemicals, and see what happens, man. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe not a good idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. Don't do that.